Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're probably going to do the easiest how-to you've ever seen. Now the guys at AUXITO got a hold of me and said, hey, we got some products we'd like you to try out. We've seen what you're doing, we really like it, and we think you'd be a great fit. So of course, I jumped at the opportunity. So far these guys have been great to work with. Their shipping was excellent. Super fast. I was really surprised at that. And price-wise, it's really good too. If you go on their website, you can check out all the products. Their site is really well laid out, and you can put in your vehicle and search for all the bulbs that it takes and what they offer for it. And on the plus side, just for working with me, they gave me a code that you guys can use on their website. I'll put that down below in the description for 15% off? Pretty sure it was 15% off. Anyway, I'll put it down in the description. The code is just my channel name, EvanWells07, so pretty easy to remember. But these guys sent me a couple different products. Of course, I'm holding one right now, and the other one we've installed in the car. Now, I did want to talk about these real quick. What I got from them is a 921 bulb. It also fits a variety of others. And what I have for comparison today is the stock bulb that was in the car. I have a cheap Amazon LED, and then of course I have AUXITO's LED light. Now you can see there's quite a bit of difference here in all three of them, and especially when it comes to AUXITO's lights, these things are really well engineered. A lot of thought went into them, where the Amazon light, I think a lot of super glue went into it. I'm not sure. Not much went into it. I'm going to put some reference material just off AUXITO's site for this specific bulb. And just think, this is just a very simple bulb that you find most commonly in like parking lights, reverse lights, dome lights, stuff like that. And think about the engineering that they put into this one little bulb. If you're going to get that, just think what you're going to get in the headlights, in some of the bigger lighting assemblies that they sell. They sell all kinds of stuff. I was really surprised by going on their website. Anyway, like I said, we're going to jump to some of the footage of installing these things. And like I said, it's about the easiest DIY install how-to video that you'll probably ever see. Me rambling on is going to take longer than this project. Alright guys, here we go. We're in the trunk. You don't even honestly need any tools for this. It's just a couple plastic retainer clips. Grab them, pull. There you go. There's your backup light right there. We'll yank that guy out. There's our new one. There's our old one. And pop that in. Simple as that, we're done. Put it back together, maybe. There we go. Pop our plastic clip back in. Like we were never there. All we gotta do is do the other side. See, I already got that one down. We'll throw that in, and then we'll do some testing on it once it gets dark here. And at the end of the day, I think the results speak for themselves. These things are crazy bright for what they are. For a little tiny bulb, these things are crazy bright. They're brighter than the headlights on this car. I really want to give a big shout out to AUXITO. Go check out their website, order something. Like I said, discount code in the description down below. Go check them out, put an order in, you won't regret it. the quality on these things is top notch. The output on them is crazy for what they are. And like I said, some of the best engineered lights that I've seen. And if you want more from them, like I said, you can check out their website. They have all the social medias, Facebook, Instagram, all that. You can check it out. There's customer reviews on there, customer rides, lots of great information. The next time we're going to get into these dome light bulbs for the Milan, and we'll go over those, and there's some pretty cool engineering in these as well. So check back next time when we install these ones. I imagine it's probably going to be the second quickest how-to video that you've ever seen on YouTube. Anyway, that'll do it for this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Really nothing to clean up. Awesome.